안녕하세요, this is Gia. Today we want to make a bok choy side dish, 청경채 반찬. Start by cutting the washed bok choy, quartering large ones and halving small ones to make uniform size. Bok choy is a very nutritious vegetable. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Bring water to a boil and immerse the thick stems first in hot water and cook it for about 10 seconds, and then blanch the leaves for additional 10 seconds. Oh, I forgot to add salt to the water. Add around half a tablespoon of salt to the water before blanching the bok choy. Okay, remove them from the water and drain. Now let's prepare the aromatic ingredients. Thinly slice the firm and less moist white part of the green onion. Mince the garlic, or you can thinly slice them. The level of spiciness of the peppers may vary depending on the type. This chili pepper is not very spicy. If you're using hotter chili peppers, feel free to adjust the quantity according to your taste. In a large pan, add vegetable oil, garlic, green onion, and the chili pepper. Now, we want to stir fry them over medium heat until fragrant for about 2 minutes. This step is crucial for infusing flavor into this dish. Okay, now let's season it. Add soy sauce, mirin, rice vinegar, and water. Then bring it to a boil. This sauce goes perfectly with bok choy. Now, place the blanched bok choy in the pan and quickly mix them with the sauce. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetable absorbs the sauce. Turn off the heat and add the sesame oil. I've used a few cooking techniques to make this bok choy banchan, the side dish. It's not traditional, but it's very delicious. Using inexpensive seasonal ingredient, you can make this instantly within 15 minutes. Let me try it. A bit spicy, salty, sour. I like the balance of this side dish.